although you know, but this is my duty. Column 1 and column 2 has come from the terms of reference, so there is no question at all. We will start from column hazard source. If it is applicable, then we will deliberate threat, causes, propaganda, consequences, and this one. If we say not applicable, there is no need to go for further deliberation. Now let's start the session. We will go for hydrocarbon. As we have seen that this is not a hydrocarbon construction scope. This is a non-hydrocarbon construction scope. So this point 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 is not applicable. But I still take hydrocarbon existing facility because you have hydrocarbon gas. I'm not worried about the liquid because liquid will not travel to 300 meters. But the gas, if there's gas leak, so this can go to the construction site. This I'm saying existing MH. It is not related to you. We are saying that nearby live hydrocarbon lines from the existing facility.
Live hydrocarbon facilities.
What's
hydrocarbon facilities?
Facility?
Because we might have some bullets or no.
I think existing facilities correct. So leakage due to the failure of gasket or gland from the flange from the existing facility.
No, you can see pipeline failure also possible.
I think facility will be good because facility will cover many things. If
no, I think pipeline failure also possible, right?
I can, yeah. If I say facility, if I say or rupture. Right? So this rupture can create loss of containment. This loss of containment have the flash fire or toxic gas resulting into the fire and toxic exposure, causing to personal fatality for the construction personnel, because we are construction, environmental impact and asset damage, right? And loss of reputation, you can say.
The concern is either we don't see this is toxic,
but we do not know. So that is why I will take a recommendation.
The refinery definitely there won't be toxic. There is no H2S. Have any idea about this existing one?
So
the H2S item.
So Paris, what I'm saying that probably we do not know. So I'm taking a recommendation, review the existing QRA to conclude the IRPA of the construction people. This will be covered in the HPC scope of work.
No. So, we are not going to another scope.
Yeah. So we have to change it.
Yeah.
So now
and suggest mitigation
and
suppose you see H2S is coming. Who is coming on the fence? There should have some H2S monitor or something if they are working on the fence.
Yeah.
Inside no issue. But there is H2S. But if there is no H2S, then I don't see any specific concern is there.
Now the pipelines is passing by the existing facilities.
Yeah.
Where I believe it have all the detectors.
They should have. But pipeline will not have. The pipeline is not in the process area.
But I mean, those pipelines are at the process area.
Yeah. They will have. In the existing facility, definitely will be detectors. So, but even suppose if there is a failure inside the facility and they will have the sound will become everything below. How your people will come to know that is emergency and what are the emergency?
Okay. Now we do have in the emergency plans the communication channels.
So that is safeguard.
That we can put safeguard.
So what is safeguard you have?
We can have
interface
emergency response plan.
Interface. Emergency communication.
Emergency response plan.
Emergency response.
But it will be part of the existing prevention control. So you put in this.
No, preventive or mitigating?
No.
Mitigating, no?
No. We are saying this is also containment. Okay, mitigation.
It's a mitigation plan.
No, here in that case existing, you can say existing facility is ERP and something.
Yes.
Don't put this barricades and other thing because we don't have anything here, right? We don't have barricades specific for the existing one.
Oh,
so existing
existing
preventive measures.
We can existing
preventive measures, yeah. You put no for all. You can put existing preventive measures. Because you put WMS, then they are not having WMS for the pipeline, right?
No.
They don't have anything specific to existing. You put existing preventive measures, that's enough. Existing preventive measures. Okay. No, take it, sir.
I think they are already here, right?
Yeah, put existing planned preventive measures because we are depending on their water mitigation measures there.
No, but here I cannot put it because
no. In this only
here
we have put existing facility mitigation measures.